UGC NET 2025, what should be the smart strategy? If you are planning to crack your examination and you are looking this video for the first time you're appearing for the UGC NET, then yes, if time is there, yes, time is there. It's not about how much time you give, believe me, it's about how you are dealing with it. If you are having core concepts cleared, the questions will come. Now to hierarchy based questions they give, this type they give, chronological questions they give, but if you are ready and persistently working on it 3 hours regular basis from now on, you can crack your JRF seat. Yes, UGC NET is not studying everything. It's about studying smartly, because they will ask that whether you're clear or not about anything. Like, did you know 60% of paper 1 questions, which is common for all, come from just 5 units? Yes, if you go, you can grab marks. What are those? UGC NET paper 1 teaches you what? Just like the B.Ed course 1 you are having, teaching aptitude, research aptitude, communication, data interpretation, what are the types of research, what is the logic, Indian logic, okay, what is ICT, this. So if you go with this series like teaching aptitude, research aptitude, reasoning, communication and general awareness, and from the latest trends they ask you any question, you can grab your JRF seat and could have fetch a good amount of marks from paper 1. Like from teaching aptitude and research aptitude together make up nearly 20 to 25 marks. Be an idea. Okay, focus on teaching methods, say Bloom's taxonomy, research steps, like that. ICT and communication can together give you around 15 to 20 marks. Which are the topics needs to be covered? Those are online teaching tools, effective communication, classroom communication and barriers to communication. Reasoning and data interpretation, only practice will go. That is, it will give you 20 marks. How? Practice questions daily. Whatever questions take, just take reasoning and 1 daily. 15 minutes, that's it, of your 24 hours. Easy. And higher education system, the NEP 2020 NIRF ranking, autonomy, they give the chronological questions for that. So the trick, don't just memorize, understand concept framework. I told at the initial only it's about the understanding. So smart preparation beats the long hour. It's 3 hours together. Target high weightage units always. Okay, revise PYQ, that is the most important. Solve and you will see the difference. Okay, best of luck.